going, everybody? MrSettin007. This is another part 2. I guess I'm working on my son's car. The previous video, you can check that out. It should be somewhere here where you can link to it in regards to what can cause shake while you're driving. So this is the tire itself, which can also cause shaking. It can cause a blowout. It can be very dangerous. As you can see along the inner tread here, look at that. This is no good. So that tells you that the tire is no good. It's separating itself. Sooner or later it's going to blow as you drive it as well. And look on this side now. This is showing you the outer. And then as you look over here, look at the lump. See that? That's not good at all. So that is another telltale sign that this tire is not good and it's going to blow. And you can tell by here, this shows like it needs an alignment. Lower upper control arms are no good, outer tie rod ends are no good, which I showed in the previous video. So make sure that you have your tires checked. You yourself should check out the tires. This is on the inside. It's going to be hard to see from the outside, but you see the outside is wearing. You take your car and turn it to the hard right or left, depending on which tire you want to look at, and then you'll be able to see across the tread, see your inside. And this is a very dangerous situation, life-threatening as well, depending on where you're going. So just a few tips to check out if you need to change your tires, how to be safe on this road. We're here in New York, so the winter's about to start. We have an extended winter summer right now, as my son would say, but make sure you check and control your destiny. Like and subscribe. Peace.